This video is sponsored by Thermo King, manufacturers of transport temperature control solutions. Visit thermoking.com for more information.
Hey everyone, I'm Jason Morgan, editor of Fleet Equipment, and this is Fleet Equipment's On the Road.
Let's talk truck paint and finishes. Corrosion-resistant coatings fight the elements such as road salt, dust, and dirt that can impact vehicle structural integrity, especially the undercarriage, and that leads to expensive repairs and costly downtime. The climates your trucks operate in play a big role in your coating selection. If your trucks experience harsh winters, you're going to want protection from salt and other de-icing mixtures. If your trucks are rolling through blazing dry desert environments, you'll want to ensure the proper UV protection. While there's no absolute formula for measuring coating ROI, it's best to compute the cost of the coatings and any corrosion repairs with the resale value of the vehicle. True, protective coatings can help extend the life of your truck, but they're not a replacement for preventative maintenance. Staying focused on the finish during your preventative maintenance schedule will help you avoid costly downtime due to corrosion. It might be common sense, but washing your trucks regularly is the most effective way to protect the finish. Here are some washing tips. Never wash the vehicle in direct rays of the sun or use hot water, strong soap, or chemical cleaners. Doing so may cause the paint surface to become spotted, streaked, or damaged. If you're using a high-pressure washer, the maximum pressure should not exceed 250 psi. Finally, repair any breaks in the paint film that result from accidents, stone chips, or anything else to prevent corrosion from occurring.
For more in-depth truck equipment content, head over to fleetequipmentmag.com. Thanks for watching.